So Togo should be next. There cannot be any justification for foreign.
Okay, my people, I want to make you watch this video. I don't want to talk too much because of you see what thing happen for Africa now. Everywhere power don't they change hand, and as it be now Togo be like saying and the next place where power will change hand. Not be only Togo, but so many things. In fact, if you watch this video finish, you will know the true story of Africans as the Africans don't wake up now. It be like say freedom don't truly they come Africa. And if you watch this video finish, I beg, share them. As you they watch, make you they share, make you they reach everywhere, because everywhere for Africa now, all the old people now, everybody, fire is on the mountain, everything. But this video go tell you